Hello everyone, today I just wanted to show you guys this beautiful Delta bathroom shower set. As you can see, we have the rain shower here. It is absolutely gorgeous looking, beautiful piece. You can feel the quality. It is heavy. You can see how nice and smooth on the edge. You can easily install this. This part would come up here, and then look at it, the nice distance from the wall you would get from this is really nice. This way we just install this and enjoy a lot of nice rain shower stuff. And we have this nice handle pieces here. You can see here it's really nice, good quality, beautiful color, golden color. And another handle again, feels nice. So it would go here and you would just turn it. Of course it wouldn't make that noise, but it's just feels really nice. And we have this back plate, again really heavy. You can as soon as you touch it, you can feel the quality. It's a very beautiful piece. And we have the handheld shower here. You can easily hold it. Feels really nice in the hand. You can direct the water anywhere. It has nice plastic rubbers and a lot of holes, which is cool. And this will go into this piece here that will direct to the water, and it will stay that way. Really nice. And we have another piece here, and these are all the pieces you would need to install. It even comes with the hard plumbing stuff here. Plumbers would just use this, and it even comes with this cap. I think they can just close one of these if you don't need it. I'm not really sure. The plumbers know those things. And these are other stuff, and we have beautiful same matching color hose, water hose. I hope you guys like this unit. Thank you for watching.